How can I find my AirPods using Find My iPhone?
Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore a scenario we've all faced at some point or another, misplacing our AirPods. Thankfully, if you've ever wondered, how can I locate my AirPods using Find My iPhone, you're in luck. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to do just that.
What do you need beforehand?
Before diving into the process, ensure you have the following. 1. Your AirPods are paired with an iPhone or iPad. 2. The Find My iPhone app is activated on the device you paired with the AirPods. Remember, you can only locate your AirPods if they are out of the case or if the case is open. If they're inside a closed case, they might not appear on the map.
How to locate your AirPods.
Here's a step-by-step guide to finding those elusive AirPods. 1. Open the Find My iPhone app on your device. 2. Sign in with your Apple ID, if prompted. 3. Scroll down the list of devices until you find AirPods and tap on it. 4. A map will appear showing the last known location of your AirPods. 5. If they're nearby, you can tap Play Sound. This will cause your AirPods to play a loud chiming sound, making it easier to locate them.
What if my AirPods are not showing up?
There could be a few reasons for this. AirPods are in the case. If they're inside a closed case, they won't be detected. Out of battery. If your AirPods have run out of battery, you won't be able to track them in real time. However, the app will show the last known location before they powered off. They're out of range. If the AirPods are not in range of any of your Apple devices, they may not show up. In such cases, keep an eye on the last known location and check there first. That's all, folks. With these simple steps, you'll never have to worry about losing track of your AirPods again. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you'll always find your AirPods when you need them. Happy listening!